Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back, and we're gaining conscious slowly but surely. We're moving and we're doing pretty amazing. Today's 28. We still have 3 more days to also close December private entries. If you want to get into that, that would be amazing. And also shorter time frame are pretty much something that are showing some positive progress right now. And I do think that eventually we're going to get to see a market that is going to look good for a lot of altcoin in the next coming couple of days. So yes, you can see this in here is almost like a little bit of a pattern being printed right now. So move to the downside here. Slowly you're making higher highs. It all starts with higher highs and higher lows. I've always seen this over and over again, but when you start to bit the whole downtrend just like that, you see you can the downtrend was actually broken. We still have a lot to go. We still have a lot of resistances to break to actually continue higher, but step by step, right? So this is the first one. You reverse from here, went up, made the first high here, and kind of like broke this very small downtrend here that has been happening for quite some time. You broke that, and now you're starting to make a little bit of a new uptrend. And then from here, the next thing that you want to look at, so if you zoom out a little bit, just like that, you can see there's another trend line over here, and this one is another trend line that still needs to be broken, just like that. You can actually put the resistances like that. So you got resistance down right there. And now you still need to kind of like break this one as well, and then eventually come up to 780. So that's the whole plan probably for PEPE. Now the next thing to do is to estimate the time of the break of this resistance line. So if we take the support and we drop it like this, and that is going to be a maximum time until we're talking like 29 of November. So I think that by 29 of November we will be looking at the next move to the upside, and that today's 28, so it's only just tomorrow we're talking about. And also now that we're approaching the weekend, today's Friday, the weekly candles are gonna be just as important. And as I told you before, that we still need Heiken and Ashi to kind of like support the idea. But yes, I think I really think that if probably you come up to maybe 495 or 500 and close like that, we can make a local bullish reversal candle, almost like a tweezer bottom, the way we've been doing it right over here, right over there as well, and then start to go back up again. I think December should be a green month. Keep in mind we're still in Q4, and Q4 has not ended. Sometime it is hard to convince when things are going bad, but I think things are not over until they're not really over. And what I mean to say is that Q4 is really not over. I mean, you still have a whole month left to actually end Q4. What if the monthly story becomes way too different? If you go on the monthly here, and then we get to see that it was really bad in October, but in November it was different, and then suddenly you see in December it starts to become huge green all of a sudden. It could even take one candle, one whole December, to just reach even 1400, right? We've seen huge monthly gains here, 1, number 2, number 3, and it's been a long time. Who knows, even December we could have another like number 4, okay? After 1 year, again, you make one very big, huge green candle, and PEPE has the potential to do that, and that's probably why we sort of like get PEPE a lot, because it does have that tendency to move really high when it does, and when it doesn't, it's just really bad, like now. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.